Hello world, how are you? I get asked this question so much, I figured I would do a little chit chat with you to let you know what a snippet is. A snippet in the junk journal world, in the junk journal or scrapbooking community, is a small little image from a piece of paper that you've ripped or torn or have just a tiny bit left or cut down with your cutter and it fell off of the larger piece that you were working on. These little snippets can be made on any base, meaning, see there, I'm using a piece of paper, and I also used a strip of paper, and I also used a strip of fabric. I use Fabri-Tac glue to attach my papers, and I attach them loosely because I always sew my snippet rolls and my snippets with the sewing machine. If you don't sew your snippet roll, just make sure you glue every piece down really good. There are many uses for the snippet roll. They can become a tag topper, a tab on a page, a belly band, a little piece on a journal card. The uses for them are endless in a junk journal. I hope this has helped you out. Right now in my YouTube channel, I'm giving a slower tutorial on putting together this medieval junk journal book. If you want to come and join me, you can find me anywhere, Twisted Paper Studio. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed night.